I'm Rora Steinmetz, and I am the owner of Andora's Bubble Tea Shop. My husband and I are both born and raised in Erie. We separately moved to California after college, the Bay Area, where bubble tea is super popular. So when we moved back to Erie, we wanted to kind of bring that with us. It was something that we had missed, just the bubble tea shops over there and the styling and the flavor. And we found the perfect spot and just decided to go for it. It was really important to us when we opened that the ambiance be kind of whimsical, and we have found an artist who really kind of gets our style and has really helped us turn this place into what we originally wanted to do.
When we started, we were really simple. If you see some pictures from our first opening days, the dining room's completely empty. It just has a couple tables in it. As we've grown, we've just keep adding new things that our customers enjoy. We keep experimenting with new things, and our drinks have gotten to there's just hundreds of drinks now. Probably our most unique offering is our banana milk. It's inspired by Korean banana milk, and it was kind of a take on that. It's made with real bananas and real cream of coconut, lemon juice. So it's all fresh ingredients. We've also added with coffee to make our Gorilla Joe, which is a super popular drink. So we just try to be part of Erie. We try to be unique to our region and who we are. We are Andora's Bubble. We're not just every bubble tea shop. Locally inspired flavors, we actually have a whole line of those. It started with our Blue Moon. We actually spent a couple years trying to figure out the Blue Moon. We went through so many different recipes that just weren't right. Then one day we kind of actually stumbled upon it when we were working on a drink for an event. We were trying to make that kind of iconic light blue color, and in doing so we actually stumbled upon the Blue Moon flavor itself. And again, after 2 years of experimenting with that, they're super popular, and we're super happy that they're unique to our region, and they bring people not only locally, but people when tourists come in and stuff, they like to try those because they are something you can only get here.
I would say the biggest reward probably is the reviews that we get, or the positive words that we get from our customers when they say that they love to come to this place with friends or family. They love the atmosphere and the vibe, and of course the drinks. We are always experimenting with new flavors, and a lot of our inspiration comes from the dessert world, as well as listening to our team. We're always kind of tapping into them. Is there anything that you guys are looking for? Any flavors that are really in right now? Anything that you wish we had? And one of our most popular drinks, the Andora Palmer, actually came from one of our first team members. So that's really important to us, is just, we call them team members, they're our team. So